Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best finger callus remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who engages in activities that lead to calluses, such as playing musical instruments, rock climbing, or even certain manual labor jobs, as it offers a safe and effective way to manage and reduce the discomfort and appearance of these hardened skin patches, ensuring your hands remain comfortable and presentable. Number 5. Compound W Wart Remover Maximum Strength 1-Step Pads. Are you struggling with persistent warts that just won't go away? We understand how frustrating that can be. It's time to take control. Introducing our Maximum Strength 1-Step Pads, designed for effective wart removal. This powerful treatment offers a convenient solution for your needs. With our advanced medicated pads, you can achieve fast and effective results. The active ingredient works to break down the wart tissue efficiently. Say goodbye to complicated routines. These pads are incredibly easy to use, requiring just one simple step for application. Just apply and let it work. Regain your confidence with clearer, smoother skin. Our wart remover is formulated to help you achieve the results you desire, discreetly and effectively. Each package contains 14 medicated pads, providing you with ample treatment to tackle your wart concerns. You'll have enough to see the process through. What we like. This option offers maximum strength for tough calluses. Its one-step pads make application incredibly simple. If you need a powerful and convenient solution for stubborn warts or calluses, this is a great choice. What people say. Within 6 days, my plantar wart on my foot came off. I have had this wart for at least 3 years. Carefully place the medicine circle part of the band-aid over your growth, press it down so the medicine patch sticks, then wrap carefully to make sure that the medicine circle doesn't move. The band-aid stickiness is very good but not as waterproof as they claim to be. Number 4. Ebanel Urea Cream 40% plus Salicylic Acid 2%. Tired of dry, cracked heels and rough patches? Our powerful formula is designed to deeply moisturize and restore your skin's natural barrier. With 40% urea and salicylic acid, it effectively breaks down dead skin, calluses, and cuticles. Experience smoother, softer skin in no time. Specifically formulated for your feet, knees, elbows, and hands. It tackles stubborn dead skin and toenail issues with ease. This cream doesn't just exfoliate, it actively repairs your skin's protective barrier. Enjoy healthier, more resilient skin. Say goodbye to rough cuticles and calluses. It works to soften and renew your skin, leaving it feeling supple and revitalized. Achieve the smooth, healthy skin you deserve. This is your go-to solution for tackling dryness and roughness effectively. What we like. With a high concentration of urea and salicylic acid, this cream is designed for intense hydration and exfoliation. It effectively softens and removes dead skin on heels, elbows, and hands. If you suffer from severely dry, cracked skin and need a potent moisturizer that also exfoliates, this product is ideal. What people say. This cream works wonders if you have cracked, painful heels. I started having issues a few months ago with my left foot cracking. I do a lot of walking, and even with getting regular pedicures, the winter months make my skin very, very dry. I've tried everything. But when I tried this one, my crack was healed within 3 days. This cream has saved my feet. You're thinking about buying it and are on the fence, trust me and just purchase it. I'm a hairstylist and have developed some pretty thick calluses on the balls of my feet and they've begun to cause me pretty intense pain. This cream has softened my calluses in the matter of a week to where I no longer experience foot pain. Very pleased with the results of this product. I have been battling tough calluses and painful splits on my heels for years. I have tried over-the-counter and prescription products and none have worked better than this product. I used twice a day for 4 weeks and it made a pretty noticeable difference. Number 3. Foot Callus Remover Kit. Are you struggling with dry, rough, and calloused skin on your feet? It's time to reveal smoother, softer skin with our effective solution. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle even the toughest calluses. It includes everything you need for a complete foot transformation. Our specially formulated gel works to soften dead skin, while the included foot file gently buffs it away. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your home. Experience effortless exfoliation as the gel breaks down dead skin cells. The ergonomic file ensures easy handling for a comfortable and effective treatment. Say goodbye to cracked heels and rough patches. With regular use, you'll reveal noticeably smoother, softer, and healthier-looking feet. This generous 6-ounce size ensures you have plenty of product for multiple treatments. Enjoy long-lasting results and beautiful feet all year round. What we like. This bundle provides a comprehensive solution with both a callus-removing gel and a foot file. It's designed to tackle dead skin and leave your feet smooth. If you're looking for a complete at-home pedicure kit that offers multiple tools for exfoliation, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Softens tough calluses quickly and makes them easy to remove without a ton of effort. You can actually see the difference after one use. It's so potent that you have to wear thick plastic gloves, included, to keep from completely obliterating the skin on your hands. Apply with the gloves, wait 5 minutes and scrub with your favorite pumice or file and balm. You have baby soft skin that you haven't seen since your last pricey salon visit. This product does what it says. I was truly amazed at how easily it removes a thick callus. Also, the 5-minute time is great. Makes it quick and easy. Number 2. Extra Strength Callus Remover Gel. Are you struggling with rough, calloused skin on your feet? Our extra strength formula is designed to tackle even the toughest calluses, leaving your feet feeling smooth and soft. Experience a powerful yet gentle solution for your foot care needs. This gel works effectively to break down dead skin without causing irritation. Transform your feet with a professional pedicure experience right in your own home. It's the perfect addition to your foot care routine for smooth, healthy-looking skin. Simply apply the gel to the affected areas and let it work its magic. It's an effortless way to achieve softer, smoother feet with regular use. Say goodbye to cracked heels and rough patches. This essential foot care product will help you achieve the soft, comfortable feet you deserve. Enjoy long-lasting results with our generous 6-ounce bottle. You'll have plenty of product to maintain smooth, healthy feet for weeks to come. What we like. This extra strength gel is formulated to provide a spa-like pedicure experience at home. It effectively breaks down calluses for smoother skin. If you desire professional-level results and a gentle yet effective way to achieve soft, smooth feet, consider this gel. What people say. Softens tough calluses quickly and makes them easy to remove without a ton of effort. You can actually see the difference after one use. It's so potent that you have to wear thick plastic gloves, included, to keep from completely obliterating the skin on your hands. Apply with the gloves, wait 5 minutes and scrub with your favorite pumice or file and balm. You have baby soft skin that you haven't seen since your last pricey salon visit. This product does what it says. I was truly amazed at how easily it removes a thick callus. Also, the 5-minute time is great. Makes it quick and easy. Number 1. Colossal Foot Rasp and Callus Shaver. Are you struggling with dry, rough skin on your feet? Do you wish for smoother, softer heels? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the ultimate tool for foot care. This powerful rasp is designed to effectively remove dead skin and calluses. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and effective pedicure experience. Crafted with a sturdy wood handle, this foot file is built to last. It comes with multiple replacement heads for extended use. Say goodbye to cracked heels and rough patches. Enjoy the confidence of beautifully smooth and soft feet every day. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete foot care routine. It's the perfect solution for maintaining healthy, beautiful feet. What we like. This kit comes with a substantial number of replacement heads and a sturdy handle, ensuring long-term use. Its rasp design is highly effective at removing thick, stubborn calluses. If you need a durable and cost-effective tool for frequent callus removal and prefer a manual rasping method, this is an excellent investment. What people say. Takes off dead skin fast without being too aggressive. The different heads are useful and easy to swap out. Leaves feet smooth after one use. Works incredibly well. Not only did I spare myself a bloodletting, it worked way better than any callus shaver ever did. Took my regular shower, no extra time soaking my feet, got out and got to grading. The finished product, clean, baby smooth heels for the first time in forever. The wooden handle feels solid and easy to hold, and the metal surface is sharp enough to remove thick calluses without hurting your skin. I soaked my feet first and could literally see the dry skin coming off in minutes. After using it twice, my heels were smooth and soft again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.